Okay, here we go. I hear it from you guys all the time. It's the biggest problem. And I love helping you. And the under eye stuff only gets worse as we get older. So let me share my top tips with you. And if you don't know me, my name's Lori. I'm 54. Give me a follow if you like all the mature skin makeup tips. Today I'm going to be using what is called Demi color. And I'm using these colors right down here. Let me tell you why. When you have any kind of darkness under your eye, it has some level of blue in it. And when it has blue in it, opposite the color wheel, you need something orange to take care of that blue. Now, if you look really close under my eyes, I have quite a bit of green as well. So I know I'm going to need something pink. So I'm actually going to go in and take a color right here. It's called 03. And I'm going to go in and just very lightly put it color to color, and you're gonna like automatically start to see things lighten up. Now, many of you think you're gonna need lots and lots of concealer to take care of these under eye darkness things. You don't. You just have to use some color science to actually take care of the difference in your skin. Now, you don't want to like take it all the way out. Have you ever put concealer on and it's just like you feel like you now have to do a full face of makeup? When you're using Demi color, you don't have to do that. Okay, so you can see I'm already making a difference in brightening up my under eye just by using a little bit of color science. Look at the difference. If you want help choosing colors that are going to brighten your under eye without adding a bunch of product, reach out to me and I can totally help choose some colors that will make a huge difference for you.